In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail search history. If you've ever started typing in the Gmail search bar and seen old queries pop up, those suggestions come from your account's activity. Clearing them out can tidy your experience, protect your privacy, and remove outdated suggestions you no longer need. I'll walk you through the exact process and give you helpful context along the way so you know exactly what you're deleting. Start by opening Gmail on your phone or computer. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account whose history you want to remove. If you manage multiple accounts, this is important because the deletion only applies to the account you're currently using. Look to the top right and tap or click your profile icon. In the menu that appears, choose the option that takes you to manage your Google activity. This link opens the area where Google keeps a record of actions related to your account, including your Gmail search activity. You'll be taken to Google My Activity in your browser. This is the central place where you can review and control much of what Google has saved about your usage. On that page, find the option to filter by product. Filtering is essential because it lets you target exactly what you want to erase. When the filter panel opens, select Gmail to focus specifically on your Gmail search activity. If you also want to remove activity from other Google products, you can select those too, but keep in mind that anything you include in this filter will be affected by the deletion. After making your choices, apply the filter to narrow the results. With the filter applied, look for the delete control. Depending on your view, it may appear as a delete button or a trash icon. Click it to begin the removal. You'll be asked to choose a time range. To wipe everything, select all time. This ensures every saved Gmail search in the account is included, not just recent ones. Finally, confirm the deletion in the prompt that appears. Google will ask you to verify because this action cannot be undone. Once confirmed, your Gmail search history is permanently deleted. It may take a short time for suggestions to fully refresh across devices, but after that, you should notice cleaner, more relevant results going forward. That's all there is to it. Quick, focused, and effective.